Okay, so today I'm going to give you a quick little demonstration of the new Google Maps interface, which I'm finding is actually quite incredible. I'm using it on a touchscreen device right now. I'm using the Microsoft Surface, and this is all running within Chrome, so you can see it's very fluid, and you can see along the bottom there all of the images that are updating as I move from place to place. I'm going to start off. I'm going to zoom in here on the legislative building. You can see this is actually using Google Earth data right now. I can switch back and forth to map mode just by clicking on the map there, and then you can see a little bit more. And when you select an item, you can see it pops up there and gives you information about the location, which is actually really interesting. You have your directions, so if I wanted to go click on the directions, you can see it automatically populates the destination and gives me the option to say select my home, and there we go. And if I wanted to bike there, which I probably would, it switches that, and you can see there public transit is much improved. You can see the public transit selects your routes and everything, and then if you want to go into more options and times, you can click that, and it's a very there you go, and you can actually see the bus routes, how they're laid out there. Very, very cool. I'm just going to have to bump out of full screen here because I need my back button. There we go. All right, let's go back into full screen. Good. So you can also see one of the things I'll do here is I'll clear this, and we'll go back to the ledge. Zooms in very fluid, it's all vector based now. I'll open up the media panel at the bottom, and you'll see along in some of the media here at the bottom, we've also got one that has multiple images at the very bottom. It's the one right in the center of this bottom screen. Watch what happens when I click on that. This is really impressive. So this is actually gathered from multiple people's different photos, and it assembles them to create a tour of the location, a photo tour of the location using multiple people's images. Perfect. The other thing I think is really cool about this is I'll clear that out, and you'll see I've starred Happy Harbor Comics. You can also, when you click on it, you'll see that, and it's not doing it as much here, but roads around it will actually change when it's selected to show you that it's a location that you would want to get to. So same thing if I click on one of the transit stations over here, you can see it pops up there. I'll go back to Happy Harbor. There we go. And one of the cool things about it is right here on the map you can see on the left hand side here there's 8 reviews. If I click on those reviews, it drills right in, and here's the store page. If I scroll up from here, it shows me where it is on the map. If I scroll back down, you can actually read people's reviews, and you'll see in the right hand column there near the bottom there's the "Is this your business? Manage this page." That's how you take control of your business within Google and be able to add things like specials and all that sort of fun stuff. So yeah, lots and lots of really, really cool functionality here. Let me pull back out here. So yeah, just really interesting stuff. You can see if I go to West Edmonton Mall, it also has a photo tour there of it. Oh, the other thing that I was going to show you, and this is not so much an Edmonton thing. Oops, let's go back here. Let's go to New York. So if I go to New York, you can actually see that there's some photo tours here as well of locations, and some of them are really quite impressive. You can see the Brooklyn Bridge, lots of people's photos merged together there. And then the other really cool thing is if I go into Google Earth mode and I zoom in here, Google now has in Google Maps a much more detailed 3D representation and you can see as it's getting